has been both thrilling and fulfilling. However, the adventure is far from over with so much yet to see and do. Have you yet to marvel the Chronos, a mechanical wonder propelled by the forces of time and space? It calls out to explorers, inviting us to play in Celestial Park. We Celestians believe that when we engage in play, Celestial Park plays back. Cosmic energy is created when explorers and Celestians engage in their creative, playful, and explorative nature. The spark of a new idea, the pursuit of a daring adventure, the radiant excitement produced when discovering something new, all of these create cosmic energy. Once again, it is time to enter a portal to a world where one could play all day. A world filled with color, fun, and endless adventure. With sun and stars, the moon and time, the chrono spins and worlds align. For if you seek with curious heart, your compass true and stars to chart. Beyond this gate, find a world of play with epic fun to fill your day.